Hey, how's it going, my friends? Welcome back to my channel. Today I got a tutorial for every one of you to be pumped up for. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your very own sound diffusion panels that look just like this one. Now this is a 2x4 panel that holds 8 squares of acoustic foam for maximum sound diffusion. So the method I'm going to show you how to do is probably the best method for renters and anyone who really doesn't want to destroy anything or harm any of the paint on the walls. This is probably the least destructive method that I have come across. So the way we're going to do this is by taking our acoustic foam and gluing that to a piece of foam board to create an acoustic panel. Now I cut mine into 2x4 sheets holding 8 pieces of acoustic foam each. Doing it this way is very safe for your walls, and it is also very forgiving when it comes to mistakes, because if you place these panels somewhere and you don't really like the effect that it's giving you, you can just pull them down off the wall and move them around. This tutorial is going to be great if you're a YouTuber and you're trying to deaden the sound in your room, or you're trying to create maybe a recording studio where you're also trying to deaden the reverberance in the room, create a very flat sound, no echo. So stick around, stay tuned, and let's get to building these sons of guns. So I know a bunch of you are probably hoping that I would do a before and after test comparing the reverberance of the room before I installed the sound panels and the reverberance of the room after I installed the sound panels. I forgot to turn on my microphone when I was recording the test for the before test. And so it was just me going like, no sound. So I won't be able to finish up the before and after test like I was hoping I could, and I'm sorry to let you guys down. I won't be doing it. I could pull all these panels down and reshoot and do the test again, but getting these panels up and placed was already kind of a job and a half, so I don't want to do that. You guys will have to just take my word for it that There is probably a 20% reduction in room noise and reverberance since I've put these up. Just these 6 panels, the one behind me, 2 over here, the 2 in the back, and the 1 on the ceiling. I'm telling you, the 4-inch is the way to go. Can't recommend it enough. Really enjoy the experience I'm having. I hope you guys can already tell. I'm always trying to get crisper, cleaner, flatter audio. Also, this is not lotion. This is the beard wash for my beard. Just happens to be on the left side of my desk there. Anyways, y'all, thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up or the thumbs down button. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and my blog at www.beardedtechie.com. See you guys next week.